today news is Greenland. What is your vision for the potential annexation of Greenland and getting them potentially to well? I think it happened, and I am just thinking I didn't give it much thought before, but I am sitting with a man that could be very instrumental. Mark, we need that for international security, not just security international. We have a lot of our favorite players cruising around the coast, and we have to be careful, and we be talking to you, and it's a really a very appropriate question. Issue is the high north is the Arctic. What do you did so when it comes to Greenland, yes or not joining the US? I will leave the outside for me at this discussion because I don't want to direct NATO in that, but when it comes to the high north in the Arctic, you are totally right. The Chinese are now using these routes. We know that the Russians are rearing. We have a lack of icebreakers. So, fact, the seven outside Russia, there are seven Arctic countries working together on this under leadership is very important to make sure that the region, that part of the world, say safe. And we know things are changing there, and we have to be there. Well, they had election there the other day. Do you see a referendum applied where the people of Greenland will be in a position to decide if they want to become part of United States? Yet it was a good election for us. It was a referendum. It will not be called that it was individual election, but the person that did the best is a very good person as far as we concerned, and so we talking about it, and it's very important. Mark mentioned the world icebreak, so we are in the process of ordering 48 icebreakers, and Canada wants to know if they could use them. I said, well, you got to pay for them. Think of it, Canada, we pay for their military. Canada pays very little for their military because they think we are going to protect them. But even with the icebreakers, so we are going to order 48, and Canada wants to be a part of the deal. I say you got to get your own icebreakers. Me, if you are state, you can part of the deal, but if you are separate country, you got to get your own icebreakers. Russia, as you know, has about 40 of them, and we have one big icebreakers, but that whole area is becoming very important, and for a lot of reasons the routes are very direct to Asia, Russia, and you have ships all over the place, and we have to have protection. So we are going to have to make a deal on that, and Denmark is not able to do. Denmark very far away and really has nothing to do what happens about landed there 200 years ago or something, and they say have rights. So it don't know if that true. I don't think it is actually, but we've been dealing with Denmark, we've been dealing with Greenland, and we have to do it. We really need for national security. I think that's why NATO might be have to get involved in a ways, because we really need Greenland for national security. It's very important. We have a couple of bases on Greenland already, and we have quite a few soldiers, and maybe you see more and more soldiers go there. I don't know what do you think about that, Pete, so don't answer that. Bases, we have quite a few soldiers in Greenland question. Thank